Welcome to another video with www.dampwalls.co.za. Today in Glenhazel we're looking at the finished product after the wall's been damp proofed by stripping down to raw brick. If you've been following us on previous videos, the top of the wall's been waterproofed with a polypropylene membrane, which is very, very strong. A piece 50 millimeters wide. You can tie the ladders on the truck and you can basically not break it with the hands. As you can see, this wall has been painted. It looks perfect. Builders are still finishing here, so excuse the photo bombers. These air bricks have been put in to allow path of least resistance for the water to evaporate. Going down is the petrol undercoat, which needs to go down on top of a liquid silicone, which causes a water repellent sealer effect. As you can see, we're going to be painting these walls today. Bandage has been done on that ledge. The edges of the bandage have been feathered so you don't see them. This is all in a drive to produce the best quality product. If you would like your walls to be perfect like this, give us a shout. You can see the undercoat. It's a cement base. The white is a petrol solvent undercoat. There's many trade secrets that go into play here, and over the 25 years we've worked it out quite successfully. We've got houses now pushing 20 years with the system. We do give a 10-year guarantee on the system, but it lasts much longer. The air bricks are here because of the higher ground level on the reverse side, so it allocates a path of least resistance for the water to evaporate, using osmosis through to the atmosphere. Builders have been hacking away at our wall again. All this has been perfectly damp proofed. In addition to that, we've also damp proofed the front of the garage here. Shadow photobombing us. These walls were also damp proofed and stripped to raw brick. These products we manufacture ourselves for long term. You can't buy products like this. If you would like your house to perform like this, reach out and we'll extend with a quote. Make it a great day and follow us on further videos.